In last few lectures of material testing and evaluation, we have discussed about various materials used in construction activities and their properties and tests conducted to check their quality. In this session, we are going to discuss about the modern type of material which is called as zero cement or geopolymer concrete. Myself, R.V. Zubdar, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about introduction, objective, how to prepare geopolymer concrete, application and conclusion. Introduction. Geopolymer concrete is nothing but a replacement of cement from cement concrete and use of another material. Cement is not used as binding material in such kind of concrete. Fly ash and alkali solutions are used as binder. It gives early strength to the concrete as compared to cement concrete. High compressive strength is the most important property of this type of concrete. It reduces the CO2 emission and hence it is useful to reduce the pollution on the earth. What is wrong with cement concrete? The cement concrete is used from ancient days or conventionally for construction activities. Now, what is need to replace this material by such type of modern material called as geopolymer concrete or zero cement concrete? First of all, many concrete structure deteriorates after 20 years and therefore there is need to replace this material by more stronger material than cement concrete. Cement production releases high amounts of carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. That is, 1 ton of cement production releases 1 ton of carbon dioxide. Thus, contribution to 7% of world CO2 emission is only due to cement manufacturing process. This is very harmful because emission of CO2 may cause the ozone depletion and ozone depletion causes the various problems on earth's surface and which will harmful for human being as well as other animals. Cement is one of the most energy intensive material. How to reduce the use of cement in construction activities? Partially, a replacement of the use of cement in concrete is done before total omission of cement use. Example is high volume fly ash concrete. The next thing is we have to develop alternate materials such as geopolymer concretes or zero cement concretes. What is geopolymer concrete? The geopolymer concrete is hardened cementitious paste made from fly ash and alkaline solution. The combination of waste products into useful product is done in such kind of geopolymer concrete. The setting mechanism of such concrete depends on the polymerization process. Curing temperature is between 60 to 90 degrees Celsius. Materials required for manufacturing of zero cement concrete or geopolymer concrete are alumina silicate, alkaline liquids such as combination of sodium hydroxide NaOH or potassium hydroxide KOH and sodium silicate or potassium silicate. Preparation of geopolymer concrete. For preparation of geopolymer concrete, the following procedure and materials are used. First of all, we have to collect aggregate, fly ash, alkaline activator, that is NaOH plus Na silicates, and then through the geopolymerization process the concrete is mixed thoroughly and it is stored for curing. Geopolymer concrete process. Alkaline solution induced the Si, that is silicates, and aluminum atoms in the source materials. Example of that is fly ash to dissolve. Gel formation is assisted by applying heat in it. Gel binds the aggregates and the unreacted source materials to form the geopolymer concrete. The following reaction mechanism takes place while addition of the materials. The n number of Si2O3 Al2O2 plus 2 times NSiO2 plus 4NH2O plus NaOH or KOH gives rise to Na plus K minus plus N times OH thrice SiOl OSi OH thrice. That is the polymerization process. In this process of geopolymerization, it gives rise to NOH thrice SiOal OSiOH thrice plus NaOH or KOH, which reaction gives product of Na plus K plus SiO plus 4 times NH2O. This process is called as polymerization process. Due to this polymerization process, the fly ash aggregates are get hardened and mixed thoroughly by using pan of 80-liter capacity. Manufacturing of geopolymer concrete. The aggregates are prepared in saturated surface, dry SSD conditions and are kept in plastic buckets with lid. The materials like coarse aggregate 1, fine sand, coarse aggregate 2, coarse aggregate 3 and fly ash are put in bucket. Then the fly ash and the aggregates are first mixed together dryly in 80-liter capacity pan mixer. After thorough mixing of all materials, the liquid component of mixture is then added to the dry material and the mixing continued usually for another 4 to 5 minutes. This liquid contains the chemicals as discussed earlier for polymerization process. It generally contains sodium hydroxides and HCl. The fresh concrete could be handled up to 120 minutes from manufacturing process without any sign of setting and without any degradation in the compressive strength. It can be used for construction activity. The fresh concrete is same in appearance as the conventional cement concrete, but the strength of this concrete is more, but the curing temperature required for this concrete is more than the conventional concrete. It is up to 80 to 100 degree centigrade. Advantages of geopolymer concrete or zero cement concrete are as follows. It cuts the world's carbon emission in cement manufacturing process. The price of fly ash is very low as compared to cement since it is a byproduct. better compressive strength than the conventional concrete. It is fireproof as compared to cement concrete. Since it is cured at the higher temperature, its fire resistivity is more as compared to conventional concrete. It is low permeable as compared to conventional concrete. It is eco-friendly material since it is also called as green concrete. It has excellent properties within both acid and salty environments. Applications of geopolymer concrete. The geopolymer concrete or zero cement concrete is used for precast concrete products like railway sleepers, electric power poles, etc. It is also very useful for marine structures since it is resistant to salty environmental conditions. It is also useful for waste containments, etc. Hurdles for geopolymer cement concrete use. It has high cost of alkaline solution. Practically, steam curing is difficult at the maintained temperature above 80 degrees centigrade. Bringing of source material to location is also difficult. Industry regulations may causes restriction in the manufacturing of geopolymer cement concrete. The new material are used rather than geopolymer cement concrete since it is costly in initial phases. Conclusion: the reduced carbon emission of geopolymer cements like them a good alternative to ordinary Portland cement, produces a substance that is comparable to or better than traditional cements with respect to most properties. Geopolymer concrete has excellent properties within both acid and salty environments. Low calcium fly ash based geopolymer concrete has excellent compressive strength and is suitable for structural applications. Since such kind of materials are innovative type of materials and it may take some time for tremendous use in construction industry, but it is very good material to save environmental pollution and avoid the CO2 emission in manufacturing of cement during process. Thank you.